After selecting your splice mode and heater mode, prepare the fibers for splicing following the acronym SSCCL, which stands for sleeve, strip, clean, cleave, and load. Sleeve. Slip a clean protection sleeve over one of the fibers you're about to splice. Strip. Use hand strippers or thermal strippers to remove the protective coating from the fiber. If applicable, load the fiber into the appropriate fiber holder before stripping. Clean. Wipe the exposed glass with a fresh, lint-free cloth moistened with either FCC2 fluid or 99% or greater isopropyl alcohol. Cleave. Load the clean fiber into the cleaver, fully raised, and gently lower the cleaving arms to cleave the fiber. Remove the fiber from the cleaver before returning the cleaver arm to the ready position. Load. Immediately after cleaving, load the fiber directly into the splicer without placing it on any other surfaces. Placing the fiber down anywhere increases the risk of getting dust or dirt on the cleaved end of the fiber and the V-grooves of the splicer. Never clean the fiber after cleaving. It might seem counterintuitive, but this will actually deposit more contamination on the cleaved end of the fiber. Developing good, consistent fiber prep habits will not only be appreciated by your equipment, but will also be reflected in the quality of your splices.